Hi, hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about SET State Eligibility Test SET, the West Bengal College Service Commission's SET exams syllabus, general paper, teaching and research aptitude, paper 1. Okay. West Bengal College Service Commission's State Eligibility Test means SET exam. Syllabus of paper 1, teaching and research aptitude. The main objectives is to assess teaching and research capability, and it aims assessing the teaching and research aptitude. Includes comprehension, analysis, evaluation, understanding, structure of arguments, deductive and inductive reasoning. Candidates are also expected to have general awareness about teaching and learning process in higher education system. Further, they should have the awareness of interaction between people, environment, natural resource and their impact on the quality of life. Okay. Details of syllabus are as follows. First is Unit 1, Teaching Aptitude. Teaching. Then learners' characteristics. Then factors affecting teaching related to methods of teaching in institution of higher learning, teaching support, evaluation system, and innovations in evaluation systems. So first, if we go to teaching, then we can see teaching, concept of teaching, objectives, levels of teaching, memory, understanding and reflective, then characteristics and basic requirements of teaching. Then coming to learners' characteristics, you have to study characteristics of adolescent, adult learners, academic, social, emotional and cognitive, then individual differences, and in case of factors affecting teaching related to teacher, learner, support material, instructional facilities, learning environment and institution. Then in case of methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning, teacher-centered versus learner-centered methods, offline versus online methods like Swayam Prabha, mocks, etc. In teaching support system, you have to study traditional system, modern system and ICT based system. Evaluation systems, elements and types of evaluation, evaluation in choice based credit system in higher education, computer based testing, innovations in evaluation systems. Okay. In Unit 2, Research Aptitude, we have to go through few sub-units. Research, then methods of research, steps of research, thesis and article writing, application of ICT in research, research ethics. Okay. In Unit 3, Comprehension, that means like unseen passage. A passage of text will be given and questions will be asked from the passage, okay, which should be answered. In Unit 4, chapter name is Communication, we have to know the meaning, types, characteristics and verbal non-verbal communication, intercultural, group communication, classroom communication, mass media, society, etc. And unit 5, reasoning and aptitude, mathematical reasoning. There we have to study types of reasoning, number series, letter series, codes, relationships. And in mathematical aptitude, you have to study fraction, time, distance, ratio, proportion, percentage, profit loss, interest, discounting, average, etc. That means these are all mathematics of class 10 level. Then in unit 6, we have to study logical reasoning. Previous unit was mathematical reasoning, and this is logical reasoning. Understanding the structure of arguments, and there you have to go through arguments from form, structure, categorical proportion, mode, figure, formal, informal, fallacies, use of language, etc. Then evaluating and distinguishing deductive and inductive reasoning. Then you have to study analogy, Venn diagram, Indian logic, pramans means perception, inference, comparison, verbal testimony, implication, non-apprehension. Then you have to go through structure and kinds of inference, invariable relation, fallacies of inference. In unit 7, you have to go through data interpretation. You have to study the sources and acquisition, clarification of data, in quantitative and qualitative data, graphical representation and mapping of data, data interpretation, data and governance. In unit 8, you have to go through information and communication technology, ICT, general abbreviation and terminology, basics of internet, intranet, email, audio, video conference, digital initiatives in higher education, ICT and governance. Okay. In unit 9, you have to study the chapter people, development and environment. Development and environment, millennium development and sustainable development goals, humans and environment interaction, anthropogenic activities and their impacts on environment, various local, regional and international environmental issues, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, waste pollution like solid waste, biomedical waste, liquid waste, hazardous waste, electronic waste, so and so, climatic changes and its socio-economic impact, political dimensions, impacts of pollution, pollutants on human health, natural and energy resources like solar energy, wind energy, soil energy, hydroelectric energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, nuclear energy and forests. Then we have to study natural hazards and disasters and their mitigation strategies. Then we have to study Environmental Protection Act 1986, National Action Plan on Climate Change, international agreements, efforts, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, Convention of Biodiversity, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, International Solar Alliance, etc. And in final unit, unit 10, higher education system, we have to study institutions of higher learning and education in ancient India, evolution of higher learning and research in post-independence India, oriental, conventional and non-conventional learning programs in India, professional, technical and skill-based education, value education and environmental education, various policies, governance and administration related to higher education system. Finally, these are all the 10 chapters or 10 units we will have to go through for the state eligibility test of West Bengal College Service Commission paper 1. And there each questions will carry 2 marks and there will be 50 questions, so that means 50 into 2, 100 marks. And 50 into 2, 100 marks is compulsory. There will be no extra or alternative questions, and there will be no negative marking also. And in case of graphical or pictorial questions, for case of cited candidates, a passage followed by equal number of questions and weightage will be set for visually impaired candidates. Okay, so these are all about the syllabus of paper 1 for West Bengal College Service Commission's SET exam, state eligibility test. Thank you very much.